Okay, now we will going to study of unconscious, right? Study of unconscious. Clear? Yes. So, like conscious, we have studied. Like unconscious, he was trying to understand about the what are the mental activities is going on inside the person mind. Now here we will going to understand about the there is a one psychologist, Dr. Sigmund Freud, try to understand about the unconscious. Okay, unconscious. Unconscious means what? Conscious means you are aware, like where you are. Unconscious, you are not aware, like where you are. Like you are watching a video, even you don't know exactly where you are sitting, what you are watching. You are unconscious. Dr. Sigmund Freud, he is an Austrian physician, defined of psychology as the study of unconscious. He was also a doctor from Austria, and he defined psychology is the study of unconscious. He believed that most of our motives are hidden. He believed that whichever motives you have, it's a hidden. Motive means what? Motives means like right now you are watching this video, what there is also some kind of motive, right? The motive is nothing but like reason, whichever reason, whatever motive you have, that is hidden. So this man is saying what? The motives are always hidden. There is an unconscious level of our mind where we push or repress all our threatening urges and desire. So there is unconscious level of our mind. There is a unconscious level of our mind where we are pushing our all the urges and desire to that way, to that side. He stressed the importance of early childhood experiences and believed that personality is formed in first 5 years of life. If there are any major psychological problem seen in the personal life, it has roots in the early years of life. So this man is saying what? This psychologist Sigmund Freud is saying, if you see any person in this world, the personality of the person is actually formed during his early 5 years of age, which means whatever personality you are carrying right now, that personality is formed during the early 5 years of age. Early. And whatever problems you see in the mental problem or any problem, that problems are seen in the personal life, and that is also connected with your past, which means you are behaving in a different way abnormally, that is also connected to his past. Dr. Sigmund Freud is saying that. Okay. And study of behavior. William Wundt defined psychology as study of consciousness, and Dr. Sigmund Freud defined as psychology as a study of unconsciousness. However, here again, consciousness and unconsciousness are not observed directly. So here, if you see, the psychologist had studies tell that psychology is a study of consciousness, which means William Wundt is saying, and Dr. Sigmund Freud is saying psychology is a study of unconsciousness. Both you cannot able to see. You can see my conscious level, never. You cannot see my hidden thing. Even you cannot see like what I am feeling right now. You cannot see that how I am and how I am, what is inside my mind is going on, you can see, no. So this definition was given by two psychologists, which is again failed. So Watson hence John B. Watson had came, and he redefined the psychology as a science of human behavior. So this, which means this man is saying what psychology is the study of human behavior, right? He says that psychology is a subject which studies the human behavior, right? He is saying what psychology is a subject which studies the human behavior, because human behavior you can see from your eyes and you can observe. Like I can see your behavior, like if you are walking, if you are sleeping, then I can see it. So he said, John B. Watson said, psychology is a subject which studies the human behavior. Okay. So in this definition, the following terms, the latest definition, if you see, the latest definition is psychology is a study of human behavior and mental process. Okay. Psychology is a study of two things. It's human behavior plus mental process. Okay. In general, we can say that behavior is an organism. Behavior as an organism responds to various stimuli present in our surrounding. So behavior means what? A human being is behaving, or any organism in the world are behaving on the basis of their stimuli. Like for example, right now you are sitting on a place and listening my video because you are behaving, and that behavior is stimuli by your surrounding. Like mobile phone, you can say that mobile phone is a stimuli, so you are behaving on that. So there are many stimuli out there which are present in our surrounding, and that's the main reason we are behaving according to our stimuli which is present in our surrounding. But each individual might have this different response to the same stimulus because of their interest, personality, and attitudes. So if you see, every individual respond differently according to their interest, according to their personality, according to their attitudes. Let's take example of a very simple, like if in one room there is a fire. So one person, each one of them, what do you think their behavior will be same? No. One person will take casually, another person will be worried, another person will run away. So the human behavior is depend upon the particular human interest, personality, and attitudes. Behavior is neither a overt and covert. Overt behavior are those kind of behavior which you can see from your eyes, like thinking, feeling, and walking. It is given over here. Covert behavior are that kind of which you cannot able to see it from your eyes. But it is like thinking and feeling. Clear? So behavior is also a two kind of behavior. The human are behaving. One behavior which you can see from your eyes, walking, talking, sleeping. Another behavior, covert behavior, which means you cannot able to see from your eyes because it's thinking and feeling. You can see what I'm thinking. You can see your father think what the father is thinking. But you can see your father is walking, talking. But you cannot able to see his covert behavior, what your father is thinking and feeling. It's impossible, right? Okay. Now mental processes. In psychology, we study the external as well as the internal factors of behavior, which means psychology, we study the internal external factors of behavior. Here we study the mental process of an individual. It includes, we are studying, we try to understand in psychology what the person is thinking, what kind of memory he have, how much forgetting the person is forgetting, what kind of emotions, motivation, attention, and perception. Right? Now, scientific method. Experimentation means an individual objective observation in control condition. Here, a researcher or experimenter can test his assumption by observing and collecting the data from sample population. can be generalized for analysis and predicting. Scientific method is nothing but scientific psychology uses the doing experiment in the public, right? Doing survey, try to understand whatever data they collected, they try to analyze, they try to study that data. Okay, so I'm stopping here. Thank